Great images have always been an important part of how retailers, distributors, and brands showcase their products. And this is especially true in today's digital age. And so, 360-degree turntable photography is the most efficient way to get the most visual information about a product to the shopper, whether it be on a desktop or mobile device. Well, first we have to understand what is turntable. A 360-degree photography turntable is a computer-controlled motorized device used to rotate an object 360 degrees to capture images at multiple specific angles. So today we are going to review one budgetary and easy functional 360-degree electronic turntable that you can use for efficient product photography. So now let's first unbox this, and later on we will talk about that how you can use it for the maximum product photographies. Look over the benefits of using a turntable for 360-degree photography, then there are many ways to present products online. But 360-degree turntable photography has a greater positive effect on the e-commerce experience. Most obvious is that the customers enjoy a more interactive experience while shopping. One another benefit of buying a turntable to adding up into your gears is when you can see a product from all sides and control the interaction, and you will feel more confident about your purchases and are less likely to return the product. Customers are not surprised when they open the box because they already have seen the products from all the angles. And we completely found this up to the mark as it moves smoothly and completes 2 to 3 rounds per minute. Its total weight is 356 grams, so it is super lightweight as you can see, and still we can load it with 2.5 grams of weighted product. And it can move in both directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. We got one battery section and one switch to change the moving direction and a USB power supply. So it is really very easy to use and highly recommended to the people who are looking for something like this. Because we believe that photography has always been the best way to inform a customer about the product, and nothing has changed in that regard. Putting the product in front of the customer is the best way to engage and educate them about what it is, what it does, and how it works. A 360 degrees turntable photography elevates the digital experience by adding a higher level of product details and interaction not historically available. So this is it for this turntable, and if you really wanted to check out the one for yourself, then the link of the same is available in the description box below. So stay tuned for more updates regarding this, because in coming days we are going to review some more gadgets and we'll share some amazing informations with you. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. And if you really like this video and the information, then hit the like button. So this is Divya from Tegunity Studio. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.